Hey everyone, this is Erik from the Partner with Erik project. Get the book that reveals this secret cash flow formula that eliminates an overwhelmed attitude and creates time freedom as you do less, not more. I'm going to show you exactly how I started a six-figure side hustle that will continue to pay me forever. The best side hustles are ones that check two boxes. The first box is you build an asset that will appreciate over time. Spoiler, this is how you earn forever. Second is you build an asset that will work while you sleep. Here's the mistake I see a lot of people making. They are trading time for money. You might make some quick money doing that, and sometimes you'll make pretty darn good money doing that. But here's the problem. You'll never truly escape the rat race when you're trading time for money, because the moment you stop working, your income goes to zero. I put together a book that explains all the details about how I started a side hustle a few years ago that is now generating six figures for me and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. That checks both boxes, and it grows your cash flow over time and works while I sleep. I'm trading time to build this asset now, but that's different than trading time for money. I'm trading time for assets. You see the difference? I'm going to cover exactly what I'm doing in this book, the best side hustle to start at any age. Click on the link in the video or the description below to get your copy today.